Welcome back. Pune Football Club clinched the last available semi-final place at the 127 Durand Cup football tournament in progress at Raya Sports Complex. On Tuesday evening, Pune beat Vasco Sports Club by a solitary goal in their final group game of the quarter-final league. Binish Balan scored the all-important goal for Pune and took them into the semi-finals. Pune will take on Sporting Clube de Goa, while the other semi-final will be between Salgaocar FC and Bengaluru FC. Both matches will be played on Thursday. FC Goa's marquee player Robert Pires is impressed with the local talent in Goa. The former France and Arsenal star stressed that he is here to play his part in the development of Indian football. The iconic Indian Super League footballer, along with his FC Goa teammate Romeo Fernandes, were the guests at the final of an inter-village football tournament in Chandor recently.
The inter-village football culture is an intrinsic part of Goa. This is the very reason Goa has been regularly producing high-quality footballers who go on to play for top Indian clubs and ultimately for the national football team. After playing their football on such natural village grounds as youngsters, the professional clubs go on to sign the raw talents and groom them for bigger challenges. FC Goa's marquee player Robert Pires was an enthusiastic guest to one such village football match in Chandor on Sunday. Having been invited by local boy and his FC Goa teammate Romeo Fernandes, Pires seemed delighted to witness the strong bond of Goans with football.
When I see the guys play football, I know you love very good, very much football. So the most important now is to grow up for the for find the high level. So I'm here for help Indian players. So I think I have a good mission. I know I have a pressure on my shoulder, so sometimes it's very good if you have a pressure, like on the pitch. So thank you very much for the reception, for the warm reception.
The Gidoli ground.
I know in India you need an academy for the young players, for learn, for grow up, for the high level. So when I'm coming here on the village, I'm very happy because the people they're smiling, so it's very important for us.
The Taraj Naik for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.